How to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Maps application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now what you need to do in order to pin multiple locations is simply first of all pin a particular location. As a pinnable location over here, so I'm going to select on a particular location, and so let me just select a particular location over here, and as I pin this location, what you can do is you can simply tap on save. Now as I tap on save, you can now create a new list. So let's tap on new list because there are going to be different other pins as well. So I'm going to tap on the list name and simply select on trip and then tap on create. So as I tap on create, we're now just going to go and select another location as well over here. So let's just go and select another location. So I'm going to tap on the next location so that I can pin it. And here you can now simply tap on the location and simply tap on the option of save. So let's just select on a particular location yet again. So I'm going to select on this particular location. So let's just select on the location over here, and we're going to go back over here for now. Now we're going to select another location over here and then simply tap on save again. Now tap on the list that we have just created right now. So just tap on done. So as it's done, we can simply go back and select another location over here and then tap on save again and select for your trip location or trip list. So now you can just go back and tap on the U section at the bottom of the screen and you can see your list over here, and that's how you can pin multiple locations on Google Maps. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.